Observe this image. The quality is high. The subject is clear. Yet, something is missing. The story is incomplete. A viewer watching with the sound off is lost. The key steps of the process are unknown. Now, observe the difference. With the simple addition of text, the video is transformed. It now has context. It has clarity. It has purpose. A video without text is a story half told. Today, you will learn to tell the complete story. Welcome to episode 3 of our complete guide to CapCut for desktop. In our previous episode, we mastered the timeline. Today, we shift our focus to a critical component of modern video: text and titles. Text is not merely for decoration. It is a tool for engagement, clarification, and accessibility. By the end of this session, you will have mastered: first, adding and fundamentally customizing text layers. Second, enhancing text with advanced effects like stroke, shadow, and glow. Third, animating your text to capture and direct viewer attention. And finally, we will explore one of CapCut's most powerful features: generating automatic captions with a single click. Let us begin. The project file is open. Part 1, the foundation of text. Adding and positioning a text layer. To begin, navigate to the top left corner of the interface and select the Text tab. You will see options for Add Text, Effects, Text Template, and more. We will start with the most fundamental element. Locate the box labeled Default Text. Click and hold this element and drag it onto your timeline. Observe that the text clip creates its own layer on the timeline, independent of your video clips. This is a critical concept. It allows you to control the timing and duration of your text without affecting the video underneath. You can drag the edges of this text clip to change how long it appears on screen, just as you would with a video clip. To edit the text content, ensure the text clip is selected on the timeline. Then look to the inspector panel on the top right. You will see a large text box. Click inside it. Delete the default content and type your desired message. You will see the preview window update in real time. You can also click and drag the text directly inside the preview window to reposition it anywhere on the screen. The text inspector panel, a deep dive basic formatting. The inspector panel is your command center for all text customization. Let us dissect the basic settings. First, font. Clicking the drop-down menu reveals a vast library of fonts included with CapCut, as well as all the fonts installed on your computer system. For video, readability is paramount. Choose a font that is clear and easy to read, such as Montserrat or Roboto. Next, font size. This can be adjusted with the slider or by inputting a precise numerical value. Below this, you have standard formatting options: bold, underline, and italic. The color swatch allows for precise color selection. Clicking it opens a color palette. The eyedropper tool is particularly useful. Select it, then click anywhere on your video in the preview window to sample a color directly from your footage, ensuring a cohesive color scheme. Using style presets for efficiency. Manually setting the font, color, and size is precise, but can be time-consuming. For efficiency, CapCut provides style presets. These are pre-configured designs. A single click will apply an entire style to your text. This is an effective method for achieving a professional look quickly. You can select a preset and then continue to modify it to better suit your needs. Part 2, Advanced Text Effects. Let us now move beyond basic formatting and explore the effects that add professional polish. Scroll down in the inspector panel. Stroke, making text stand out. The stroke function adds an outline to your text. This is one of the most effective ways to ensure your text is readable against a busy or low contrast background. Activate the checkbox next to stroke. Immediately, an outline appears. You can select the color of the stroke. Black is a common and effective choice. The thickness slider controls the weight of this outline. A value between 5 and 10 is often sufficient. Use this tool to make your text pop from the background. Glow and shadow. The glow effect adds a soft, luminous aura around your text. It is excellent for titles or text that needs to feel ethereal or important. Select the color and use the range and intensity sliders to control the effect size and brightness. The shadow effect, specifically a drop shadow, creates the illusion of depth by placing a shadow behind the text, as if it were floating slightly above the video. Activate it and you can control its color, opacity, blurriness, distance from the text, and the angle from which the light appears to be coming. A subtle shadow can significantly improve professionalism, spacing, character and line control. Finally, examine the spacing controls. The character slider adjusts the space between individual letters. Increasing this can create a more modern, airy feel. The line slider adjusts the vertical space between multiple lines of text. Proper spacing is critical for readability in larger text blocks. Part 3. Bringing text to life with animation. Static text is functional. Animated text is engaging. At the top of the text inspector, select the Animation tab. In and out animations entrances and exits to. Animations are categorized into 3 types. The In tab contains animations that control how your text enters the frame. Options range from a simple fade-in to a complex typewriter effect. Select an In animation. Below the selection, a duration slider appears. This controls the speed of the entrance animation. The Out tab functions identically, but controls how the text exits the frame. It is good practice to pair a simple In animation with a simple Out animation, such as fade in and fade out for a clean look. Loop animations for continuous movement. The Loop tab is for animations that play continuously while the text is on screen. These should be subtle. An effect like a slow wave or pulse can add a dynamic quality to your titles without being distracting. Combine these 3 types of animation to have full control over the life cycle of your text on screen. Part 4. The Game Changer. Auto Captions. We will now explore one of the most powerful and time-saving features in modern video editing. Statistics show that a large percentage of viewers watch videos without sound. Captions are no longer optional. They are essential for accessibility and audience retention. Manually transcribing a video is a slow and laborious process. CapCut automates this. How to generate automatic caption. Navigate back to the main text tab in the top left. Select the Auto Captions option. A dialog box will appear. Here, you select the language spoken in your video. The accuracy is very high for clear audio. Once you have selected your language, click the Create button. CapCut will now analyze the audio track of your timeline and, using speech-to-text technology, generate timed caption clips for your entire video. The process is remarkably fast, reviewing and correcting captions. The artificial intelligence is highly accurate, but not infallible. It may misinterpret names, jargon, or unclear speech. It is critical to review and correct any errors for a professional result. To do this, simply select a caption clip on the timeline that contains an error. The text will appear in the inspector panel on the right. You can edit it there, just like any other text box. Styling captions and the Apply to All function. By default, the captions are plain text. You must style them for readability. Select any single caption clip on the timeline. Now, use the tools we learned earlier. Change the font, increase the size, add a black stroke or a drop shadow to make it stand out. You will notice this has only changed one caption clip. To apply this style to all captions simultaneously, locate the checkbox in the inspector panel labeled Apply to All. Activate this checkbox. Instantly, every single caption clip on your timeline will adopt the exact same style. This function is the key to achieving a uniform, professional look across all your captions with minimal effort. Deselect it to make a unique change to a single caption, and reselect it to push the change to all others. Part 5. Creative shortcuts. Text templates. For situations requiring more graphic flair, such as video introductions, social media highlights, or lower thirds, explore the text template library. These are pre-packaged combinations of text, graphic elements, and animations. Simply drag one onto your timeline. Select it, and you will be able to edit the text content in the inspector panel while retaining the professional animation and design. These are effective starting points for creative titles. The data processing for this session is complete. Let us summarize the acquired skills. You can now add, position, and customize fundamental text layers. You can manipulate advanced properties like stroke, shadow, and spacing for maximum readability. You can apply in, out, and loop animations to create dynamic text. Most significantly, you can now generate, correct, and style automatic captions for your entire project, dramatically increasing its reach and accessibility. Your feedback is valuable data. If this logical breakdown was effective, please engage the like algorithm. Your input in the comments section will be processed for future content generation. To ensure you receive our next transmission, activate the subscribe function. Thank you for interfacing with this tutorial. End of transmission. Proceed with your creative objectives.